So I think I need to make this a series. So Captain Mark, quite a jokester. When I was cooking on the yacht, he would come into the kitchen when I wasn't there, hit record on my camera, and just start talking. Remember that we cannot believe 50% of what this man says. So whatever you're about to see next is not true. Just remember that. I am totally okay. I'm in one piece. So enjoy this Mark comedy session.
So today we had a tragedy. Abby was swimming with the sharks and she was attacked. She was pummeled a lot in the attack. We're hoping we airlifted her to the hospital with shark bites over 3/4 of her body. The pummeling was just amazing. She held up, she fought them. But I think she's going to be okay. She might lose like one arm and a leg, but that's okay. She'll still be able to cook a little. So everybody, best wishes to Abby. I hope she pulls through all the pummeling from the sharks today. Everybody have a great day. Thanks.